Well, where are you going, Hopper? You have a purpose and serious. Yes, we'll doing it. Okay, the stagger. But it is a stabber. Wherever you want. I think it's in there we are used. Yes, I would. But I will doing it for you to read a thing. But it's going what it is. Right, I don't know. But it's just a you. What are you, Stepper? But we've got to be right. Sure, right, Vito. No, you're not. But I just don't get no. Whoa, ow, no. I could get no kiss to you. You are for risk the sauce. Okay, well, no. You've a mouse dying, and I can know. You've a nasty. You got no. Huh? What can I do for it? What is we use? What is bro? It looks like whatever you want to is a cyber marionettes. I will go to not be here.